Hi everyone, this is Cindy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with some projects that I made using the Harmony paper from Mintay. So I debated about whether, sharing it because I feel like the book, the album that I made is not completely done. I don't know if I need flowers or trim or something. It feels unfinished as far as the cover goes. But I just haven't been able to just finish it. So I thought I would just share it and put it, and I'll finish it at some point. But maybe it is finished, who knows? But I just kind of felt unsure, I might have to do trim because this paper is coming up right here, which is annoying to me. So I might be doing some sort of trim here. But this is an album that I made. And this one I just kind of just fooled around with the paper and kind of made something that I liked. This is some of the cut aparts on the front. You can't really tell, it kind of blends together. But I'm definitely going to do some trim because I had to piece together some cardstock to wrap around my book cover, and it's pulling up here. That does sometimes happen if you don't put it in the right spot, and this is a really bad spot because it's a stress point. So I'll probably do some sort of a trim around it with hot glue, and that'll keep that down, but that does happen. So here's the back. And so when you open it up, so I've got like a little journal card here where basically you can tuck something in, but this flips up. And then I've got a pocket here with a card that you could put a picture here, or you could write. The paper is just gorgeous, so, just want to use it all. And then the top, I have a pocket that is a tag, a very long tag. So, and another thing is because the paper is so just beautiful, it's like you don't want to waste any of it. So I did try to, as much as I could, to use everything. So here we have a page here, and I've left this kind of open so that I think it'd be really cute with a picture tucked in. I am thinking about getting some pictures and putting it in the album and then re-showing this book, but I just haven't had a chance. I've been really, really busy lately with work, oddly enough. But I say oddly because I'm working from home, but I've been really busy. So it's like a little pocket here. So I think, I might do a part 2 where I have it with pictures and everything. But it's been sitting, and I just felt like maybe if I showed it, I feel inspired to actually finish the album. So this is one of the cut aparts that you get in the collection, and then, so this is just a card here for journaling. And again, more cut aparts, pictures. And then here is a pocket. So in this pocket, I have this little kind of like a little wallet almost, and it's got a pocket right here. Yeah, this fits right here in that pocket. And then the back. So kind of it's just beautiful. So I like I said, I feel it's unfinished, but I think at some point, if I do finish it, I will re-show it with the pictures because I think that it really needs that. So let me show you this other thing. So I made a belly band. Here, so this pulls off like that. And then there's just one of the cut aparts here. And then this is just a waterfall feature that you could just put pictures. So there's that. Right, so I made that with this book, this collection. So I think that's pretty. And then the last thing, I did another belly band here. And so these are all from the collection. And then here I just kind of decorated the front, and it's just like a little really super simple junk journal type book. Now, the interesting thing about this is that I actually used the journal, what is it called? I used We Are Memory Keepers journal maker tool thing to do the holes. And then I used the floss or whatever it is, the wax thread that comes in the kit to bind this book. Now you can do different kinds of binding. I just did the easiest one that they have because I looked on YouTube to do the other binding that you could do with this, and it was sort of complicated, and I just didn't have the patience to do it for this particular project because you actually need more signatures. And this is just a simple book using pages that we had left. And really, really simple album. And then, you can keep it closed with this belly band. Yeah. So those are the projects that I made using that Mintay collection. And it is so beautiful, and the paper is really nice thickness. Makes beautiful projects. The first time I've ever used Mintay, so I do have some other collections that I'm going to try out. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating the Heart.